Writers write what they know. Liars write what they wanna show. Singers sing what they told. But I know you got something else to say. Like secret language, speaking in tongues. Snake like tongue tied, you on the run. Tribal dancing, I don't know what you are, you are, you are, you are. Summer floating over my heart. We're both dancing over the dark side. I don't know who you are, you are, you are, you are. You got letters sprinkled all over your body. If I join up the dots, it makes me feel naughty. I feel like I shouldn't touch. You got a no touching sign. I feel like I shouldn't run. You're blocking the exit with your life. Addicted to light, center, always in the limelight. Show ya a real good time. Oh, I know you got something else for me. Like secret language, speaking in tongues. Snake like tongue tied, you on the run. Tribal dancing, I don't know what you are, you are, you are, you are. Summer floating over my heart. We're both dancing over the dark side. I don't know who you are, you are, you are, you are. You got letters sprinkled all over your body. If I join up the dots, it makes.
Hello, welcome to my video. Today I am going to show you my DIY electric bike. So it cost me a bit more than 500 or 600 euros. So that is around $800 if I'm right. And I think it's really cheap for what I've got. It has like something like 60 kilometers of range or a bit more, but it's plenty for me. I added a light so that I can ride it at night. I just push that button here, focus here, and the lights work. It's directly powered by the battery. So I also added a USB port to charge any device. It could have been cheaper though, but I chose some really expensive battery because it's the only ones I found. I originally have put a different battery box, the one I built in my DIY electric bike part 3 video, but it was not really functional and didn't look great. So I decided to go for this battery box that I bought off of AliExpress for something like 60 euros, and I think it looks really neat. I don't know, tell me what you think. In order to charge my e-bike, I am using this 200-watt charger, which is very powerful. It charges it in like 3 hours, and it is the same charger I use to charge my electric skateboard. It charges via XLR, which is a very common connection.
You're blocking the exit with your life.